Okay, pag-usapan natin yung mga FIBA rules, which is very simple rules lang para sa basketball. Kasi sobrang haba ng FIBA rules eh. So, bibigay tayo ng 30 key rules governing the basketball, including team composition, hati natin sa tatlo. Team composition, ball movement, and violations. So, unahin natin yung game basics. Sa team composition, each team has 5 players on the court at the time of the start of play. Okay? Sa scoring naman, number 2, scoring, the team with the most points at the end of the game wins. Sabihin, time-bounded kasi ang laro ng basketball. May pinakamaraming score within the allotted time. Mananalo. Kaya time-based ang basketball. Pabilisan, palakasan. Then, let's go with the shot clock. The offensive team must attempt a shot within 24 seconds. So, pag naubusan kayo ng 24 seconds, it's a violation already. Mabibigay yung bola, yung possession sa kabilang team. Dribbling. Okay. Sa players, they can advance the ball by dribbling. So, pagka nagkamali kayo ng dribble, pinick up nyo yung bola, and then nag-dribble kayo ulit, and then pinick up yung bola, automatic, ma-double, meron kayong violation automatically. Inbounds, the ball handler hold the ball and the ball handler must remain inbounds. Pagka tumapak ka sa linya, nahawak yung bola, pwede ka ma-out of bounds. Okay, let's go with the ball movement. Ano ba yung mga movement during na may hawak kayong bola? So, number 1 is traveling. Players cannot move without dribbling or passing the ball. So, pagka nagpagalaw kayo pag may hawak kayong bola, kailangan yung i-dribble siya. So, yan, para maging legal. And if ever, pwede nyo rin siya pasa. Okay? Then, double dribble, number 2. A player cannot double dribble or dribble the ball twice in a row. So, ano ba yung double dribble? So, pag nag-dribble ka and then pinick up mo ng dalawang kamay mo, then dinribble mo ulit, it means a double dribble. Ayan, yun, malinaw yan ha. Number 3 sa ball movement natin is the backcourt violation. The offensive team cannot return the ball with their own half of the court after crossing the center line. So, kung maalala nyo, yung basketball court, meron yung center line. So, pag tumawid na yung bola doon, hindi mo na siya pwede ibalik. Pabalik doon sa kabilang court. Magkakaroon kayo ng violation. 5-second rule. O 5-second violation. The offensive team has only 5 seconds to inbound the ball. So, usually, kapag tight na yung defense at last or dying seconds na, usually, sinusuppress nila tong rule na to para mag-turnover. Usually, mga mga dying seconds, mga 3 to 5 or 10 seconds, nagawa nila yan para ma-turnover yung bola. 8-second violation. The offensive team has 8 seconds to advance the ball mid-court line. So, kailangan may tawid nila yung bola from the other court to the center line. Ng 8 seconds lang. Then, 10-second violation. The defensive team has 10 seconds to advance the ball mid-court to the line. Okay? So, yun. Let's go with fouls and penalties. Fouls, personal fouls are illegal contact with the opponent. Bawal itulak, bawal hawakan yung damit, bawal din, basta ka na lang tatalon, no? Tapos dadaganan mo yung player, something like that. Foul in the act of shooting. A player fouled attempting to shoot the ball awarded free throws. So, if ever a player is shooting the ball and then you disrupt the action while she or he is shooting and then tapik mo yung player, automatic there's a foul in the act of shooting. Team fouls, after certain number of team fouls, of the opposing team is awarded free throws. Ilang fouls ba para maging penalty? So, meron tayo 5. Okay? Technical fouls are not contact fouls such as arguing with officials. So, wag niyong gagawin yan. Kasi sayang yung tawag ito, pag nagkaroon kayo ng penalty something like that, technical fouls, may penalty point yung kalaban. Mag-free throw sila. Disqualification, a player can be disqualified for accumulating certain number of fouls or technical fouls. So, pagka nakalimang fouls sa FIBA rules, automatic, tanggal kayo sa game. And also, 2 technical fouls, pwede ka rin matanggal sa game. Other important rules, out of bounds. Players out of bounds when any part of their body touches the floor outside of the boundary lines. Last to touch. If a defensive player is last to touch the ball before it goes out, the offensive team gets a possession. Alam naman natin yan. Free throws, each successful free throw is worth 1 point. Uniform, all teams must wear shirts of the same dominant color as their shorts, with sleeves ending above the elbow. No charge semicircle area. Ito, designated area under the basket where a offensive player can't be charged or a foul. Ito yung semicircle sa ilalim ng basket. So, hope you learn something. Bye.